Hi guys. In this video, we will be learning about Git commands. So making no further delays, let's dive right into the video. So the first basic command is git init. This command turns a directory into an empty Git repository. This is the first step in creating a repository. After running git init, adding and committing files directories is possible. Next command is git add. This command adds files to the staging area for Git. Before a file is available to commit to a repository, the file needs to be added to the Git index, staging area. There are a few different ways to use git add, by adding entire directories, specific files, or all unstaged files. Next command is git status. This command returns the current state of the repository. Git status will return the current working branch. If a file is in the staging area, but not committed, it shows with git status. Or, if there are no changes, it'll return nothing to commit, working directory clean. Next command is git commit. This command records the changes made to the files to a local repository. For easy reference, each commit has a unique ID. It's best practice to include a message with each commit explaining the changes made in a commit. Adding a commit message helps to find a particular change or understanding the changes. Next command is git push. This command sends local commits to the remote repository. Git push requires two parameters: the remote repository and the branch that the push is for. Next command is git branch. This command determines what branch the local repository is on, add a new branch, or delete a branch. Next command is git checkout. To start working in a different branch, git checkout is used to switch branches. Also, the git checkout b command is used to create a new branch, and switches to that branch itself. Next command is git pull. This command is used to get the latest version of a repository. Run git pull. This pulls the changes from the remote repository to the local computer. Next command is git log. This command is used to show the chronological commit history for a repository. This helps give context and history for a repository. Git log is available immediately on a recently cloned repository to see history. Also, using the commit hash shown in the git log command, we can switch to the particular commit in the repository by running git checkout commit hash command. Next command is git diff. This command is used to show differences between the changes made from the committed version and the current version. It is very useful command and comes handy when we need to know the changes made by us. Now let's see the commands to undo the changes in the file made by us. First command that we can use is git checkout file name, where the file name indicate the file in which the changes have been made and has not been committed. This command restores the file to its previous committed version. Next command is git revert. The git revert command is a forward-moving undo operation that offers a safe method of undoing changes. Instead of deleting or orphaning commits in the commit history, a revert will create a new commit that inverses the changes specified. Git revert is a safer alternative to git reset. This command reverts back to the given commit and also commits the change. Alternatively, if you don't want to commit this reverted change, then you can use git commit end command. This command reverts back to previous commit, but does not commit this change.